Hi everybody. Today I will show you how to forward messages on WhatsApp. To do this, simply navigate to the chat that you want to forward the message from. I'll select this message for forwarding. So, to forward this, I'll simply hold down this message and it will show up these options at the top. I will click this forward icon. So this is the forward icon at the top right. You can click this icon and it will open up your contacts. Now, from here, you can choose to forward this message to a contact, recent chats, your channels, or other contacts that you want to forward this to. After selecting your contacts that you want to forward this message to, click send and click forward to channel and click OK. And that specific message will be forwarded. As you can see, you will see a forwarded text at the top of that specific message that was forwarded. Also, if you forward a message to a channel, it will show that text available at the top. So that's how you forward message on WhatsApp. If you found this guide helpful, subscribe to the channel and leave a like.